You grab Mommy's finger? You grab Mommy's finger? There you go. You got it. And now you want to jam it in your mouth. You got their finger too? You gotta get your hand out of your mouth though. Can you grab Mommy's other finger? This? Oh yeah, you want to eat Mommy's fist. Here. There you go. Oh, you really want to put it in there? If only you could lift your neck. If only you could lift your neck. Which one are you going to put in your mouth? Which one? Can you kick your legs some more?